Let us continue some network issue here. Already in part 1 some questions we did. This is a part 2. Let continue part. So here molecular weight is 122.5. So 122.5 into what is the solvent they're mentioning here, 250 grams, right? So we can calculate here. We'll get molality. Molality, how much we got here? 0.4. Next one, step 2 here, alpha calculation. Right, alpha equal to what is the decision constant we are calculating in ionic equilibrium, K equal to C alpha square, right? K they are mentioning the problem. What is it? K equal to here 1.44 into 10 to the power of minus 3 equal to concentration they are mentioning here. What is it? No mention, we are calculating here. This is the concentration. So what is the concentration we got here? 0.4 into C square, so alpha square, right? We can calculate the alpha value here. Alpha is equal to, we'll get it here, 0.06. This is the alpha value, but this is two part complete, but they're asking in freezing point. Let me explain in next slide here. So here, so what is the formula here? Delta TF is equal to I into KF into molality, right? Delta TF freezing point we have to find out. So high value how much we'll get here? We have to find out the high value also. How we can find out? Alpha value will got here. The alpha value will get here how much? 0.06, right? So alpha is equal to I minus 1 by n minus 1. Alpha here how much we'll get here? 0.06 equal to I minus 1 by n. Here the acetic acid, that 2-chloro-butanoic acid dissociate into two ions, H plus and that acetate ion, right? So 2 minus 1. So what is the resultant here? I value equal to here 1.06. So we can substitute here that value here. So 1.06 into Kf value, how much they mention in the formula. So this is the Kf value 1.86, commonly water for that. 1.86 into molality, how much we got here? 0.4. So this is the molality. So we can find out here molality. So how much we got here? 0.4. So what is the freezing point here? Resultant, the answer is here 0.789. So this is delta TF, the freezing point. I hope it is clear. And next one, right, this is one more different model question, right? So here the freezing point, the freezing point of dispersion here, how much they are giving here? 7.1 into 10 to the power of minus 3, right? The concentration is 0.001 molality, and they are asking here x is there, right? So determine the value of x and given here Kf, right? So the freezing point they are giving, and molal concentration they are giving, and Kf they are giving. So they are asking what is the x value here. I hope it is clear. General formula here, delta TF is equal to I into Kf into molality, right? So what is the freezing point they are mentioning here? This is the freezing point. So 7.0 into 10 to the power of minus 3 equal to I factor we don't know here, into how much they are giving here? 1.86 into molality 0.001. So what is the here? I is equal to here 3.87. Just we are calculating I here. Next one, alpha here. This is alpha is equal to I minus by n plus n minus 1. Already we know that this n value is here number of ions, but here what is the x value we don't know, right? Generally k x value is there, and here FeCN 6 times is there. So this is the one ion, we know that already, we know that one ion. So here this is kx, This x value we know, then only number of how many ions we know. So we don't know. This is the, we imagine x, right? So here they're not mentioning in the alpha degree of dissociation. Whenever this compound is dissolved in a water, completely ionization taking place, that is equal to 1. So here this compound whenever dissolved in a water, this is it is formed to that K plus ions and FeCN minus 4 times, minus 4. So this is the complete ionization taking place. So we have to take alpha value is 1. So here 1 is equal to, here I here I equal to how much we got here, 3.87 minus 1. Here how many ions is there? This is the 1 ion, that is plus 1, right? And this x value we don't know, that is x into minus 1. So here that x value is here, we can calculate this whole things here. So what is the answer we'll get here? Nearly 2.897, that equal to, this is 3. So here the x is equal to 3. So that is, the formula is here K3, right? I hope it is clear. This is K3, right? So that is the value of x, right? Next, one more model question right here, a m by 10. What is the m by 10? This is a molarity concentration. For example, m by 10 is there, this is equal to 1 by 10, this is m equal to 1. For example, m by 20 is there, that equal to, what is the meaning here, 1 by 20. For example, m by 30 is there, that equal to what here, 1 by 30. So this is the concentration terms. In terms of this they can indicate. I hope it is clear. M by 10 solution potassium ferricyanide is 40% is ionized, right? So that is 0.46% is alpha they are giving, degree of dissociation, right? Temperature also they are giving at 18 degrees temperature. What will be the osmotic pressure? What will be the its atmospheric pressure? Right, here osmotic pressure they are asking, right? Here two kind of osmotic pressure is there, okay? Before dissociation, that is normal osmotic pressure. This ferricyanide is there now. So before dissociation is some different osmotic pressure, after dissociation is different osmotic pressure, right? So this is normal osmotic pressure, and next one here, observed osmotic pressure, right? We can calculate the osmotic pressure, normal osmotic pressure. What is the formula of osmotic pressure? This is the normal osmotic pressure. Osmotic pressure is equal to formula here. Generally here concentration here. Concentration nothing but molarity only. The molarity is equal to what? Weight by gram molecular weight into 1 by V in volume in liters. We can take in the concentration term here. So osmotic pressure here. So weight here, weight by and gram molecular weight into volume V in liters, right? Into here, what is the remaining formula here? R into T. This is general formula. Osmotic pressure is equal to C into RT. This concentration and representation like this, right? This is the molarity formula only, right? How much molarity they are giving here? M by 10, that means 1 by 10. 1 by 10 equal to how much? 0.1. So here we can take 0.1 by, what is the volume they are mentioning here? 1 liter. They are not mentioned, means the, what is the formula of molarity? The number of moles present in a 1 liter of solution. So we can take here volume is 1, right? What is the gas constant here? 0.082. What is the temperature they are giving here? The temperature 273 Kelvin plus whatever the temperature they mention in the problem, just to add here. So 18 degrees. So here what is the resultant value here? 2.389 atm pressure. This is normal atmospheric pressure. Let me explain observed osmotic pressure. Generally, after observed osmotic pressure, whenever dissolved in a potassium ferricyanide, a dissociation taking place. So, what is the formula of potassium ferricyanide here? KF4 FeCN here 6 times. So, whenever dissolved in a water, the 4 Ka plus ions place, and here FeCN 6 times minus 4, right? At t equal to 0, this time here 1 mole, right? Here 0 and 0, right? Here t equal to after some time, this is 1 minus alpha. Here how many here get 4 alpha, here 1 alpha, right? So total number of particles, how many here? The total number of particles equal to here 1 minus alpha plus 4 alpha plus alpha, that equal to here this minus alpha is cancelled, 1 plus 4 alpha. In question they are mentioning alpha is 46%. How much here? Question they are mentioning here 46%, that means 0.46%, right? 1 plus 4 alpha into 0.46, that equal to total number of here 2.84. So this is here after the dissociation osmotic pressure, right? Then here observed osmotic pressure total, it is not total here. So total of the atmosphere pressure means initial place and what is the final, that is total observed osmotic pressure. So here observed osmotic pressure equal to what we got here 2.84 into, in normal osmotic pressure, how much we got normal osmotic pressure? 2.837. This is normal osmotic pressure. So into 2.389. Resultant equal to here 6.785 atm pressure. So this is total the observed osmotic pressure. I hope it is clear. One more different model question here. A 0.5% of aqueous solution of KCl is found to be freezes minus 0.24 centigrade. Calculate the want-off factor and undergo degree of dissociation of the solute at this concentration. Right? Asking two things. The first one here, calculate the want-off factor and then degree of dissociation of solute. What is the want-off factor here? Want-off factor is equal to normal molar mass by observed molar mass. Right, first one is normal molar mass. Normal molar mass means calculated value. Normal molar mass is equal to, what is the potassium here? Molecular weight KCl. The KCl here, KCl is 39 plus chlorine is here 35.5, that equal to here 74.5. This is normal molar mass. What is the observed molar mass? Observed molar mass equal to, how to find the observed molar mass, right? So generally formula here, delta TF is equal to TF freezing point, right? This is the freezes. Delta TF equal to, what is the formula here? KF into and weight of solute into 1000 by and molecular weight of solute, molecular weight, this is molecular weight of solute into weight of solvent. Right here, this mass we have to observe this mass, right? So what about this mass and this mass? Question itself they are giving like a mass percentage. So they are giving 5%, 0.5% of NaCl, right? This is a mass percentage. So 0.5 grams, 0.5 NaCl, this is NaCl or KCl, sorry, KCl present in 100 grams of solvent. This is called mass percentage we are discussing. So that means here 0.5% is 0.5 is this grams is weight of solute and 100 grams of your weight of solvent. This is the weight of solvent. In remaining thing we know that Kf also they are giving, and here freezing point also they are giving, here the freezing point also they are mentioning the questions, right? So we have to find out the what is the value of molar mass. Just rearrange the formula. What is the resultant here formula? Molality, the molar mass equal to, and here Kf into W by into 1000 by delta Tf into what is that here, weight of solvent. Just substitute the value, we will get observed molar mass, right? So molar mass of observed molar mass of KCl, this is OB I am writing, observed molar mass. The KCl equal to here, right? So observed KCl molar mass equal to here, so here 0.5 grams of solute into 1.86, this is the Kf value, and into 1000 by what is the freezing point they are mentioning in the form the question, 0.24 into here present in 100 grams. This solute is present in 100 grams. I hope it is clear. What is the resultant formula here? 38.75. So this is observed molar mass. So what is the want of factor here? Want of factor is equal to observed normal molar mass. How much we got here? 74.5 by what is the observed value here? 38.75. So that equal to what is the molar mass here? 1.92. So this is want of factor. So the question first part is over, right? This is the question first part. So calculate the want of factor. What about degree of dissociation? Right. Generally KCl is there. This KCl is dissociated into K plus ion plus Cl minus ion. So number of ions here 1 minus alpha. This is your alpha. Total number of ions is here 1 minus alpha plus alpha. This alpha cancelled, 1 plus alpha, right? So total number of ions here, so I is equal to 1 plus alpha. So here very clear, I value how much we'll got here? 1.92, and alpha value we have to find out here. So here 1.92 equal to plus alpha. So alpha is equal to here 1.92 minus 1. Alpha is equal to 0.92. So this is degree of dissociation. I hope it is clear. This is I am writing here this point. These are the important models for the osmotic want of factor model problems. So thank you for watching this video.